Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to do a discussion post for the week of May 18th. If you go to our Blackboard page and then on the left hand side here you will see a tab called Discussions. If I click on Discussions, it will list every single hour with a folder for those discussions. I'm just going to use hour 1 as my example right now. If I click on the hour 1 discussion, there are going to be sentence starters here that I can use. These are the same sentence starters that are in the directions that I posted on our Google Classroom page as well. I would highly encourage you to use these sentence starters because you are going to have a response part A as well as a response part B. Please make sure you have both and they are at least 6 sentences long each. Then I'm going to go down to my discussion post. You'll see here that I have different questions for you to think about as you answer for your article. So I'm going to click on hour 1. When I do that, I'm then going to click on create a thread up here at the top. Once I click on create a thread, it's going to ask me for my subject. So I'm going to put life in India, or I could put a title such as sanitation in India or urbanization in India, and then I'm going to type my message. Once I'm all done, I'm then going to click submit here at the bottom. Once I click submit, then you will be able to see my post right next to somebody such as Matthew's here at the bottom. And then for tomorrow, what you are going to do is then click on a classmate's post. Once you click on that classmate's post, you'll be able to read their response as well as click and reply to them, which is then explained in the directions for day 2. If you have any other questions about how to post, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.